Mastermind presents Evolutes and Envelopes. Evolute of Ellipse. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Find evolute of ellipse x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared is equal to 1. So first we have to write parametric form of ellipse. Parametric form of ellipses a cos theta, comma, invite y is b sin theta. Then similar way, before finding center of curvature, we have to find what is y1 and y2. The y1 is nothing but dy by dx, y2 is d square y by dx squared. So before finding y1, we have to find what is dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a minus sin theta, and dy by d theta is equal to b cos theta. Now we are going to find what is dy by dx, that is nothing but y1. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, that is b cos theta divided by minus a sin theta, that is you can write minus b by a cot theta. Therefore y1 is equal to minus b by a cot theta or cos theta by sin theta. Next I have to find what is y2. y2 is d squared y by dx squared, that is d by dx of dy by dx. Here dy by dx into, here dy by dx is minus b by a cot theta. It is a function of theta. Again using chain rule, you can write d by d theta of minus b by a cot theta into d theta by dx. So already we know that what is dx by d theta. So d theta by dx is reciprocal of dx by d theta. Therefore d by d theta of minus b by a cot theta into d theta by dx is 1 by minus a sin theta. So simplifying this, so minus b by a d by d theta of cot theta is minus cosecant square theta into 1 by minus a into sin theta, that is minus b by a into minus cosecant square theta into 1 by minus a into sin theta. So cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Minus into minus we get minus sin, and b by a into a is a squared. 1 by sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta. Therefore y2 is equal to minus b by a squared into 1 by sin cube theta. Now we are going to find what is x bar and y bar using the y1 result and y2 result and x value, y value. X bar is equal to, according to formula, x minus y1 by y2 into 1 plus y1 squared. Substituting the value of x is a cos theta minus y1 is minus b by a cot theta. Here minus b by a squared into sin cube theta, it is the denominator of the denominator, 1 plus b squared divided by a squared and cot square theta. So here we are using the identity sin theta and cos theta. Keep it in your mind. The parametric equation of ellipse is a cos theta and b sin theta. We know the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So keep it in your mind. Simple way, using the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 to find the evolute of the ellipse. So we have to change every terms other than the sin theta, cos theta into cos and sin. So here you having the cot theta changes into cos and sin, that is cos theta by sin theta. Here cos square theta by sin square theta. Try to write every terms other than the cos and sin in terms of cos theta and sin theta. That is equal to, so a cos theta minus into minus plus minus again minus. So in the numerator b by a cos theta by sin theta whole thing divided by minus b by a squared into sin cube theta. Similar way here 1 plus b squared by a squared into the cos square theta can be written as cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Okay, now you simplifying this. A cos theta minus, here b cancelled, one of the a is cancelled. Now simplifying this, denominator of the denominators go to the numerator, one of the sin theta is also cancelled. Remaining here you having sin square theta, a sin square theta, that is a sin square theta, remaining cos theta is there, cos theta into, again you simplifying this, a square sin square theta plus b squared cos square theta divided by a squared sin square theta. Then the sin square theta cancel, 1a are cancelled, remaining 1a is there. You cross multiply this. In left hand side you having x bar, a into x bar, that one of the a is going to the left hand side. A x bar is equal to a squared, because I am taking a as LCM, it is multiplied by a, and taking another side a squared into cos theta minus cos theta into a squared sin square theta plus b squared into cos cube theta. I am multiplying this inside, so here it will become minus b squared into cos cube theta. Now here I am taking a squared cos theta, a squared cos theta is common, a squared cos theta 1 minus sin square theta minus b squared into cos cube theta. So you know very well 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Therefore a x bar is equal to a squared cos cube theta minus b squared cos cube theta. Now I am taking cos theta as common for both, that is a squared minus b squared into cos cube theta. You keep it in your mind, it is an ellipse, so parametric equation is a cos theta and b sin theta. So from the center of curvature, try to find out what is the cos theta value and sin theta value, that is cos theta from x bar and similar sin theta from y bar. Once you know the cos theta and sin theta, so you use the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Easily we can eliminate the parameter theta. Now here we are having cos cube theta is equal to a x bar by a squared minus b squared. So that implies cos theta is a x bar divided by a squared minus b squared whole power cube root, that is 1 by 3 times. For using identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, I want to find what is the cos square theta, that is squaring on both sides. Cos square theta is equal to a x bar whole power 2 by 3 a squared minus b squared whole power 2 by 3. So you consider it is equation 1. Similarly, you are going to find what is y bar. Y bar is equal to y plus 1 by y1 into 1 plus y1 squared. So the y is equal to b sin theta plus 1 by, this y2. So y2 is b minus b by a squared into sin cube theta into 1 plus minus b by a cot theta, that is you can write b squared by a squared into cos square theta divided by sin square theta. The cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Cot square theta is cos theta by sin square theta. Now you are simplifying this. B sin theta minus a squared sin cube theta divided by b into, taking the LCM, a squared sin squared theta plus b squared cos squared theta divided by a squared sin squared theta, that is equal to a square cancelled, your cube theta, your square theta are cancelled. So remaining you have sin theta minus sin theta into a squared sin squared theta. So I am multiplying the remaining sin theta inside the bracket, that is a squared sin squared theta. Your 1 sin theta is remaining, sin theta minus into plus minus b squared into sin theta into cos square theta. So in the denominator is 1 of b is there, taking the LCM b, so here b is there, b, and taking b another side, that is b y bar is equal to b squared sin theta minus a squared into sin cube theta minus b squared into sin theta cos square theta. So taking b squared sin theta is commonly outside, b squared sin theta, your cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta minus a squared into sin cube theta, that is b squared sin theta, using the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, since sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, already one sin theta is there, that is sin cube theta minus a squared into sin cube theta. Now I am taking sin cube theta is a commonly outside and minus sin cube theta, that is a squared minus b squared into sin cube theta. Why I am taking minus outside? In from 1 we having a squared minus b squared. So I want a squared minus b squared, I am taking minus outside, that is a squared minus b squared into sin cube theta. So again from this equation I have to find what is the sin theta. So sin cube theta is equal to b y bar minus divided by a squared minus b squared. From this I can find what is the sin theta. Similar way, sin theta is equal to minus b y bar whole power 1 by 3 into a squared minus b squared whole power 1 by 3. Again I have to use the identity. I want to find what is the sin square theta. So sin square theta is equal to Squaring, you can find the minus. Squaring this term, it will become positive. Therefore by bar whole power 2 by 3 divided by a squared minus b squared whole power 2 by 3, that represent as 2. Now you can use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to a x bar whole power 2 by 3 by a squared minus b squared whole power 2 by 3 plus by bar 2 by 3, the denominator is a squared minus b squared whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So now the last step, the locus of x bar y bar is a x power 2 by 3 plus by power 2 by 3 is equal to a squared minus b squared whole power 2 by 3. It is the evolute of ellipse.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.